Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into this vlog. What's up y'all? It's February the 10th and it's Friday. Yay. So today is my daddy-daughter dance. I want to show y'all her dress. I think it's pretty. Let me show y'all. So this is her dress. I thought a pop of white would be nice. Actually, it was my mama idea. She said a pop of white. I was gonna go with black, y'all, but a pop of white, and the dress is red and black, sparkly, pretty. I don't know if y'all got a special occasion coming up, Easter or whatever, but I can put this in my storefront just in case y'all are interested. I wanted to start the vlog off. I really don't have much to talk about right now. I'm about to get my daughter together, feed her, and then get her dressed for her dance, and then I'll probably come back and chit chat with y'all. Only you can have my body. You don't need no other body. Hey y'all. Y'all, oh god, what's going on, y'all? Today has been a crazy ass day, but happy Valentine's Day, y'all. And I'm sick again. I feel it in my throat. That's the first thing I say. That's how I know when I'm about to be sick. Like, I feel it in my throat. You can hear it in my voice. I'm coming down with a slight cold, and that's because my baby, she in school now, and she stays sick more than ever. Like, she forever coming home with a cold, and of course I end up getting it. So y'all pray for me. But today is Valentine's Day, so basically we gonna make a charcuterie board. I'm gonna make a little Valentine's Day meal. We're gonna make some drinks, and we just gonna enjoy this single Valentine's Day. Oh, I can't wait. One day I'm gonna get the balls to give y'all a fucking story time of my life, y'all. My life. Some shit didn't happen today, y'all. Unbelievable. Life is a lesson. Like, life is all about lessons, and baby, when I tell you I learned my lesson today, I learned my lesson. But anyway, yeah, so let's get into this Valentine's Day vlog, y'all. We about to prep, put our cute little pajamas on, Valentine's Day pajamas, and we just about to enjoy our day. And yeah, see y'all.
More of my baby, give me all of you. In the dark right now, feel lost but I like it. Comfort in my sins and all about me. All I got right now, feel a taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about the stain on my shirt, you bitch on my nerves. Oh nigga got curved, going back on my word. Bitches.
Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, February the 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. I told y'all I was coming down with something and I felt like I was about to lose my voice. So yeah, that happened again. Y'all, I really don't know what's going on. I really don't know why I've been getting so sick lately. I'm able to talk now, but I promise y'all, a couple of hours ago, early morning, I could not speak at all. So I'm able to talk again, which is cool. But I'm about to make me some tea right quick. And I'm about to head out in a minute. I'm about to shower and head out. My friend caught a flat, so I'm about to let him see my jack to my car, so if this is tighter. So and then I figured, like, while I'm waiting on him to get done with that, I'm gonna probably like do a little editing, get a little work done. Got some green tea. I'm gonna use this old ho-ho cup, Christmas cup. They had some Valentine's Day ones at Target. I was gonna get the little disposable ones, but I didn't get it. But I like that they make different little ones. So yeah, honey. I got some honey. A little honey and some lemon. I'm just gonna pour a little lemon in there. I'm gonna let that water boil. So I think I'm just gonna put everything in this bag. So we need our tablet, of course. Let's see, is it charged? This case get dirty quick. I gotta clean it. Matter of fact, I'm about to clean it now, and I can let this charge actually before I leave. Well, you know what? No, because I might forget it. I'm gonna wipe that off. Put my wallet in there. Put my phone charger in here. I don't know. I got a little different shit in there. Y'all, this is a lifesaver. This Mucinex, clear and cool. This help you breathe better when you having trouble breathing. My glasses, of course, because you can't see without these. And I think that's it. Yeah, a mask, and yeah, that's all. Oh, and I need my planner, my pen and my planner, and I'm good to go. Oh, and some lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. This is by Janique Janae Cosmetics. I'll link her information below, her online boutique below, for y'all to check out. That I'm gonna end up getting some more because I really like that gloss. Let me shower, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm in the car on my way out. Bear with me, the show must go on. Like I said, voice a little janky, but change of plans. I'm not leaving out now. He said he was able to get his tire off, so he don't need my jack. So that's good. I don't have to leave. I'm about to drink my tea. I might watch a little YouTube or try to get me some sleep. I don't really like the way lemon tastes in my tea, so I'm just put like a splash. I need a whole bunch of sugar. Like I'm talking about diabetes. Like, I need to go to Target, y'all, low key. I'm trying not to go to Target. I don't want to spend no money. My baby birthday coming up this week. This weekend. I got so much to do. I want to make some nachos for dinner probably. So I might just do a store pickup. That way I won't be in Target looking around spending money. Because I think I'm going to take the baby and let her go pick her some stuff out for her birthday. So I'm going to end up going sometime this week anyway. So I think I'm just going to do a pickup order for some popcorn cheddar seasoning that I ran out of. And then I need some chips. Yeah, I'm out of this. I hope they got some. So I need to get some work done. I need to post on my like to know page. I'm gonna pop it over here. You can follow me over there, and if you guys enjoy my looks, you can shop my looks. I post. I'm kind of new to the app, so I'm posting like my most recent looks, so you can shop the exact look or something similar over there. So support that, y'all. I do make a commission off of that. So, you know, if it's a bag I mentioned in my video, hey, I got this bag from Shein, y'all like, that's cute, go to my like to know. It'll take you to the direct website, which will be Shein, and you can shop there. And yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get upstairs because I gotta carry a couple of things. Oh, look at my neck, y'all. I got Vaseline all on my damn shirt. That's not gonna come out because I don't know, y'all. I broke out on my neck like I got a rash. I've been putting Vaseline on it to keep it moisturized. I'm like, it better not have been that Shein jewelry. Man, but I ain't never broke out from no costume jewelry, so I'm like, what the fuck going on? I don't know. Trying to get some work done. I'm planning some videos for, I think like March will be like more fun content, me getting out more. February kind of been dragging because I've been having a lot to do. And I'm just ready to get my daughter's birthday out the way. Then I can just like, you know, go on, move on from there. Yeah, so I got a video I want to do. I think the luxury girl's gonna enjoy that video. Basically, I'm just planning my life out, planning things, y'all. I am definitely a planner. I am so organized when it comes to like money budgeting, like how I'm gonna spend my money, when I'm gonna spend it, where I'm gonna spend it, you know, and that works for me. So I'm about to start money budgeting in a minute. I need to edit this vlog right here. I need to start editing. Let me come back and talk to y'all when I got some shit to talk about, y'all, because you know, I'm sounding like Barry White right now. And my battery about to die. The fuck? Yeah, so I'm gonna charge my battery. Oh, Target. I gotta make my Target order right quick. And I'm gonna talk to y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm dressed. Tugging it out. Pink beanie. Pink hoodie. Pink Ugg boots. So this is the little quick Target run, Kroger run. I'm not going into Target. Got an online pickup order, but I gotta go into Kroger. Get some sour cream and stuff. Jean jacket. But yeah. This my look. Simple look. And I just got my silver tote bag. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And adjusted your couch. Keep it on the low. And if you leave it, please don't let it go. I don't wanna know.
treating it like us. Damn, Target. Target packed. Oh, I'm not going to Target. I'm going to pick an order. What they doing? Shopping for Valentine's Day? Like, is it really that serious? Hey, y'all. I know y'all like, bitch, wasn't Valentine's Day the day before? This is previously recorded, y'all. I'm trying to be ahead of the game, okay? So, don't come for me. Because I know what I'm talking about. Alright. I just made it to not Kroger. I just made it to Target. And thank you. Spring is in the air. I can smell it. This one's talking about y'all, the cart. The $10 cart. So I'm back home. I'm cooking my nachos. I'm about to end the vlog here so I can start a new vlog. I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, hey, hello, welcome to the Doll House. I hope you stay and I hope you enjoy it here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.